What is up, my fellow crypto lifestylers? We're bringing a little bit of a different type of content this time around. A little bit of different content this time around. I'll tell you why. Because I feel as though my past 5 years being on YouTube, meeting this global audience from whether you're from Holland, you're from Italy, you're from Canada, you're from America, you're from fucking Africa, you're from Jamaica, wherever it is, I believe we have the same line of thinking, and we have the same belief system, right? And the community is exactly that. And I feel as though also crypto has shown people that we are a unified force, right? Now look at me right now. I met some guys here in Jamaica. They treat me very well. They cook me some what? What do you cook me?
I cook you some fish. I cook you.
Speak louder, yeah, because the mic, yeah. But go ahead.
That's what I'm doing. I said I cook you some fish, some lobster.
Plantain, sweet potato, right? Better than anybody could have ever done it. So what am I trying to get at? I feel as though we're all in this fucking system trying to break free from fucking slavery, right? People are people. We have much more in common with each other than the government embodiments that tell us what to go and do and who pushes ideologies into our brains, right?
That is it, my bro. Big energy.
Right?
Big energy.
You know what I'm saying?
I mean?
No, it's real
cheers
talk.
to life.
Like,
Big
look at them,
energy.
right? They may look like they're different color, they're from a different culture, but at the same time, we're all trying to make it here in this world, bro. And why are you watching me on YouTube right now, watching my crypto videos? It's because you are not happy with your current state of living. That's the fucking facts, okay? Everybody, like these guys, they went and got me some better bear, right? That's a small example. This man cooked me food, bro, right? They're doing these things just to get by, just as much as you might be going to your job and working just to get by. Just like I'm on YouTube expressing what I have learned and sharing my knowledge, sharing my experience with people, right? So what I'm getting to is this. Don't judge people just because you don't know them, just because they look different than you, just because the culture might be different. We're all trying to achieve the same thing, which is freedom. We're all trying to be independent, So for me, right, normally, let's just say I was with my wife, I'm walking, I see these brethren here chilling. I'm like, oh shit, no, they're bad guys, stay away from them. But I don't know them from a hole in the ground. Look at them right now. We're having a little bear, right? They're smoking a little thing. But guess what? They're people, man. Right?
Reality.
Right? So, I don't know if you guys want to talk a little bit about, what's going on here in Jamaica and, how the hustle is like, what you guys do on a daily basis. But, now might be a time. You know what I'm saying? So Nick, this is Nick. I'll translate it after. Nick, tell him how it goes.
Yeah, man.
What do you do? What do you do every day here by the resort?
All right, for me, my lifestyle, take care of people, meet people from different towns, different states, do the right thing, real Jamaican lifestyle, you know what I mean? So if someone want to see the outside, if they want to see the hillside, if they want to see the underworld, that's what we do. We just
let me stop Nick right there. I'll tell you why. And I love that. But here the thing. I was telling them this. There's a woman in Iran that's a big channel on YouTube that's living off of the land. She's going and she's getting chicken, goat, fish, and she's cooking it. And her channel is blowing up for something simple like that, right? So the lifestyle that they live here, a lot of us envy that lifestyle, right? From North America. At least I do. There's a lot of snow, it's fucking cold, everything's overpriced. It's not a real way to enjoy your life, to be fulfilled. And a lot of us might want to look at the other side of the fence and be like, man, I wish I could do that. So that same woman, she has a really good channel, she doesn't even talk. She just shows how they catch the fish, they season it, they prepare it, they chop it up, they put it in the pot, and this woman is making hundreds of thousands of dollars every year. So what he just said there is awesome. Right? He's doing the right thing. He's living an honest life. But I feel as though it's an outdated style to really be fulfilled because guess what? My boy Nick is going to have to wake up tomorrow and find the next me or the next person to show them around, to cook them lobster, to do all these things. Had him made a channel that got 10,000, 20,000, 30,000 views of people who are interested into that, right? He's going to develop a personal brand. And I asked Nick, do you have access to the internet?
Yes.
That's all you fucking need. You don't need a fancy camera, Sony fucking FX3. You don't gotta talk proper. You just gotta show people your lifestyle because your lifestyle may not seem as valuable to you, but trust me, bro, something simple like that you put online, you could blow the frick up, right? Trust me, bro, if a woman in Iran could do it, I sure as heck know you could do it, Nick.
Yeah.
So
Ready.
I'm trying to expand their psychology. I'm trying to show them different things they probably never heard of. And it's like when I was growing up, I was like, yo, bro, I gotta go, get an education, which got me fucking in debt. Didn't do none for me. Fucking, and guess what? That same diploma that I would have got, which I dropped out, thank God I did, I probably would have a second career option. Never went to, never got a job in that field. So it's a scam, bro, right? It's a scam. It is, right? And that's a fact. I don't give a shit. Most of the successful people in the world never fucking graduated from college or university, okay?
Same thing in Jamaica. Same thing
Right.
in Jamaica.
So, like, once we understand, man, the system is designed to keep us busy, keep us fucking broke, have us fighting with each other. Look at them, they're black, I'm white, I'm brown, I don't know them.
That's some racist bullshit.
Yeah, bro, it's like we have much more in common with these guys and other people across the world
That's
than
true,
we do with our
that's true.
governments.
That's true.
I know what the governments
One
do.
love, no
They
matter
send
where
us to
you're from.
fucking war to kill people just like us. But no, we must be true. I'm a patriot. I'm a Canadian. I'm American. I must go fight for my country. It's all bullshit.
Watch out, man. We don't watch the blood. We don't watch out, man.
That's true. That's true. That's true.
Watch out, at the same blood flesh, Are we at the same black and white people and the same blood?
Come in the camera. Come in the camera. They can't see. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
we are say, watch out, man. At Jamaica, this, and we are say at the same. At the
Come on,
same,
come on,
watch out,
come on,
now.
come on.
Watch out, the same niggas them fight against them black black brother.
what you say?
So you know, so we not fight against the black brother. You see, we only uplift the black brother them. Motivate them. And watch out, man. No matter where you're from in the world, you could have black, white, with brothers, just from another mother. You know a thing come down, and a big energy, positive thinking, positive vibration, and a royal hotel with it. And you know a thing come down. Love and love alone. And you go see the thing, just check out Fine Style Music too. FYNESTYLE. Fine Style Music. And you know, we are about for greatness, we're destined for greatness. This is our brother, good energy, big energy, real ones only. You know I go, Art of Love, you hear that?
Don't know.
Anyway, Jamaica City,
Don't know.
greatness.
So the moral of this video is this. Crypto is something that really represents a global field of individuals as a like-minded mindset, right? A shared belief, in other words. So don't judge people from their culture. Don't judge people from their lifestyle. We're all in this to try to make it, bro. Right? That's what it comes down to. And, this might be a little bit of a different video, but I feel as though this is not spoken of as much as it needs to be spoken of, right? And crypto represents diversity, freedom, independence, no matter your skin, color, creed, or race. Right? I could be in fucking Italy right now, bro. I could get along with guys that are white from a different culture. I could be in fucking China and I could talk to the next guy as long as I got a translator. You know what I'm saying? I could be in any part of the world and still have a common belief and something similar to them than I would with, say, the people that tell us what we should do, which is government, which is, our educational system, which is all a scam. And you guys know what I've talked about in the past. So, I don't know if you guys want something else to say, but that's all I gotta say, my boy here.
Yeah, man. Big up.
My boy.
Security guard there, is it?
Yeah, done know, right? All right, guys. That's all I wanted to say. Hope this makes sense. Till the next one, you're on your own. Later.
Right,